Imagine peeling the backing off a sticker, only to have it tear, stick too tightly, or fall off too easily. It's a small frustration, but in manufacturing, problems like these can bring entire processes to a halt. That's where adhesive release liners come in. In this video, we'll explore what adhesive release liners are used for, break down the different types available, and show you how to find the best liner for your project through testing and expert guidance. Adhesive release liners are primarily used to protect and carry pressure-sensitive adhesives until they are ready to be applied. They ensure that adhesives remain intact and functional, preventing premature sticking or contamination. Without the liner, adhesives would lose effectiveness or be difficult to handle during both manual and automated processes. In short, the liner acts as a temporary barrier, making it possible to use adhesives in an efficient, controlled, and clean manner. There are several types of release liners, each suited to different applications. Paper liners are the most common, available in forms like kraft, polycoated kraft, extended densified kraft, and extensible polycoated kraft. These paper liners are great for creating customized production processes. Next, film release liners, made from materials such as polyester or high-density polyethylene, are increasingly used in industries like medical, industrial, and labeling because of their durability and flexibility. Film release liners also tend to be cleaner than their paper counterparts, which makes them ideal for medical applications. Lastly, there are specialty liners, which include metallized films or other unique substrates, serving highly specific industries such as aerospace, automotive, and renewable energy. To enhance their functionality, these liners can be coated with release agents, often silicone, which determine how easily the adhesive separates from the substrate. Matching a release liner to the application requires consideration of how the adhesive part will be used and processed. Factors like the liner's release level, whether it should be single or double-sided, printed, if it needs to be medical grade, or if it can be extended for easy removal, are all come into play. For example, if you're Apple and are assembling the latest iPhone, the liner's performance determines whether the components can be released from the liner as intended during the automated process and dispensed onto the phone housing accurately. Sharing details about the intended use and assembly method with the converter early is crucial, since it allows for testing different liner strengths and ensuring smooth application performance. Finding the best release liner involves collaboration and testing rather than guesswork. Working with a converter to test prototypes ensures that the liner is well matched to the adhesive and the application. If you are interested in testing samples, we would be happy to send out different liner options before committing to full production. This way, you can find the right liner by engaging with experts who evaluate the design, understand the application environment, and provide tailored recommendations. If you want to learn more about working with a converter or more about release liners, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.